Today I want to show you a great trick, a performance and a tutorial. It's a trick by Kitty the Cat 1. It's called the K8 Transpo, and you can click on this link and see the performance. Now, for this effect I will need the 4 kings and the 4 aces, and I have to place the 4 aces right on the table, for example, right over here. And I'm left with the 4 kings in my hand. Now I also need the card box because I have to put the card box on top of the aces so I can't touch them. Okay, now I'm left with the 4 kings in my hands. Now watch carefully. If I snap my fingers, you will see that the cards change to the aces. 3, 2, 1. And just like that, I have now the 4 aces in my hands. Just like that. And yes, you're right, that means that I have right under the card box the 4 beautiful kings. So that's a trick. I hope you enjoy it. And now to the tutorial. Here is the setup for the trick. For this trick you will need a card box and you will need the 4 kings and the 4 aces. Your setup for the aces is 2 black aces and then the 2 red aces. Okay, so that's your setup for the aces. Your setup for the kings is a red king, a black king, a red king and a black king. Okay, and you place the kings on top of the aces. So it's a very easy setup. Now you start the trick with showing the cards, and after that you flip them over. Now you peel the first card, catch your break, 2, 3, 4, and you say that these cards are the aces. Now as you bring this hand underneath this hand, you have to grab the cards above the break and you have to maintain a break above the bottom card, like so, with your thumb. Okay, because you have to put the card on the table. And the spectator thinks that you have your 4 cards. So don't drop the card, you should come close to the table and place the card on the table. Now you hold the card in the middle grip, peel the first card, second card, third card, and you have here now 4 cards. And you have to show the 4 cards as 1 card. Okay, and you say that these cards are the kings. Now, as you close the spread, you have to catch your break above the 3 cards, like so. Okay, and you transfer it to a thumb break. Now at this point you have to say to the spectator that you have to put the card box on top of the aces. Now that's a perfect misdirection because now you can drop the 3 cards on top of the single card, like so. And then you can put the card box on top. So I think it's the best misdirection. Now you can show the 4 cards again. You take the top card, show it's a king, and as the spectator is looking at the card, you catch your break underneath the top card, so you can push the card into this gap. Okay? Now you snap your fingers and you can show that the cards change now to the 4 aces, and now you can perform an Elmsley count. Okay? Just like so. And at the end of the trick, you take the cards underneath the card box and you have to move the top 2 cards to the bottom. So don't reverse the order, take them and move them to the bottom. And again, you have to perform an Elmsley count to show that you have here the 4 kings. So that's a trick. I hope you enjoy it. Don't forget to subscribe to Kitty the Cat 1. So that's it. See you next time.